To read effectively, find a quiet space where you won't be distracted. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode to help you focus. A calm environment is key to absorbing information. Before diving into a text, take a few minutes to preview the material. Skim the headings, subheadings, and any highlighted or bolded text. This will give you an idea of the main topics and help you understand the structure of the content. Determine why you're reading the material. Are you preparing for a test, completing an assignment, or just trying to understand a topic better? Setting a clear purpose will help you focus on the most important information. As you read, take notes to help reinforce the material. Summarize key points in your own words and jot down any questions or thoughts that come to mind. This will make it easier to review later. Highlighting can be a useful tool, but be selective. Only highlight the most important information, such as key terms, definitions, and main ideas. Over-highlighting can make it harder to identify what's truly important. If you're reading a long or complex text, break it down into smaller sections. Take breaks between sections to process what you've read. This approach can make the material feel more manageable and less overwhelming. Engage with the material by asking questions. Who is the author? What is the main argument? Why is this information important? Asking questions helps you think critically about the content and deepen your understanding. Discussing the material with classmates, friends, or teachers can enhance your understanding. Explaining concepts to others can reinforce your knowledge, and you might gain new insights from their perspectives. Regular review is crucial for retaining information. Schedule time to go over your notes and highlighted sections. Repetition helps solidify your understanding and prepares you for exams. Consistency is key to effective reading. Set aside dedicated time each day for reading and studying. Developing a routine will make it easier to stay on top of your schoolwork and reduce last-minute cramming.